and welcome to FabFitFun Customize Close-Up. Right now I'm going to be showing you some of the skincare choice customized options from your summer box. Select members will be able to choose between these three options. If you are not currently a Select member, why? What are you doing? Go to fabfitfun.com/upgrade stat because you need to choose immediately. I'm getting nervous. Time's running out. All right, so let's dive into some of the summer box skincare options you have here. First off, from COOLA, we have their SPF setting spray. Ooh, I love that noise. Yeah, it's nice. So this product is going to set your makeup, it's going to protect your skin, it's going to refresh you. It basically does it all. It's everything you need in your bag, in your car, wherever. Give it a spritz, call it a day. It's water resistant up to 80 minutes. Sometimes SPFs on your skin can get a little greasy or oily. This is going to go on top of your makeup so you know that you're completely protected, you're good to go, and it's not going to mess with your makeup. In fact, it's going to enhance your makeup. It's going to set it all day. I'm a big lover of the spritzes, whether they're just for pure refreshment or for an actual purpose like this, where it's setting your makeup, it's protecting your skin, all that good stuff. So let's dive in. I'll do this all day. You can also use this product by spritzing it right on your hands, and just patting it on your face. You'll get those same matte effects. It'll set your makeup just as well, and it's just kind of a different approach. All right, and next up in this customized option set, you have the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. This is the most incredible, all-in-one, multi-use product. It's a simple balm, super lightweight. Ooh, it's not sticky though, it's actually very soft. This product can be used for basically anything. I'm not joking. It's for eczema, cuticles, dry skin, tame your eyebrows, get a little gloss on your lips. You got a clingy ex-boyfriend? Get rid of this. Is your boss texting you on a Saturday? Healing balm. Rena. This was also created by a dermatologist, so you know it's legit, with plant-based ingredients that are proven with real results, all the good stuff. It's the ultimate multitasker. I think I could be a hand model now. What do you guys think? And next up, your final choice in this skincare customized extravaganza is the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. Now, this is a facial exfoliator, but it's like you've never seen before because it actually uses natural grain exfoliant. So unlike the plastic beads that you find in most facial exfoliators, the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish actually uses jojoba beads to gently exfoliate. That's plant-based, that's biodegradable. It's not gonna hurt the turtles.
Thanks.
We love them. It is 3.4 fluid ounces of pure goodness for your beautiful skin. It's actually gonna be good for all skin types, but particularly for those with the combo oily type of skin, like me. This polishes your pores, and it actually is going to make a really smooth surface so that when you use your other skincare products, they're going to penetrate deeper. I know I don't like wasting skincare. I want my products to do everything they tell me they're gonna do. I'm gonna read the back of that box and I wanna see results stat. I'm very impatient. So when I use this product, I can use my rest of my routine right after and see results immediately. It's also a great base for your foundation. It's almost like you can refine, you can hydrate a little, and then you can protect and set. Crazy. So make sure to head to fabfitfun.com/customize before May 15th because that is when Customize closes. If you're not already a Select member, go ahead and go onto fabfitfun.com/upgrade to upgrade before Customize closes. Get it all done at once. Call it a day. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you next season.